So this is my Shed Wars update for you. I'm planting my tobacco in this tire raised bed. And I've got more tobacco down there, but that's what I put in there. And that's what the garden looks like a little bit. Been working today. That's potato and stuff. This right here is tobacco, sage, and rosemary, and lavender, and strawberry. And I put that in this little raised bed. And I want to show you my green beans. This is the potatoes that I've got to put dirt around. I've been tilling up the dirt a little bit around them, stuff. I had potatoes in here, but they were store-bought potato. Look at that, there he is in one tire. Little bitty Jethro, he's growing up. He likes these tires as long as he doesn't eat my tobacco or my plants. He's 6 weeks old. A couple of days ago he was 6 weeks old. He's 43 days. And like I was saying, this potatoes, I had bought some store-bought potatoes, and they didn't sprout, and they were russet, and I was hoping I'd get some russet potatoes, but I guess I have to buy the seeds to plant them off of seed catalog. But I planted more tobacco plants down through there, but I know you can't eat tobacco. But I'm going to show you some beans. This right here is a mixture of corn planted and the beans that are starting to come up. I planted like 3 rows of those green beans, and I just planted it all. Jethro better not eat my grapes. I was just walking by this and I actually see some plums, little bitty things on this tree. The cold that we had, it took out the peaches, and so I'm not gonna have any peaches, I don't think. There's all the mint and lemon balm coming up down here. There's some mountain mint and regular mint and sweet mint. I got another tire over there. I'm gonna make another raised bed. Thought about putting strawberries in it. Just I got a lot going on. It's what I call a ADD garden. It's unorganized. But anyway, y'all take care. And these are the green beans that I planted all the way through there. Let me back it up. The lines aren't looking as crooked, but I'm trying to hoe and thin these green beans. Some of them are Roma, and the others are jade green beans. And there's my schoolhouse cabbage. And those are celery. And these are weeds and green beans. And let's walk down here. There's more tobacco. These are needing to be separated later on, but this is like the baby playpen for them. There's corn that's not straight. And here's some tomato plants. And there's peas, potato. I've got to do some weeding, and I've been trying to get hard enough to do it, and I'm just now trying to do it again. And these are the potatoes, and they need a lot of work, but they're coming up. They're Yukon Gold, and I'm not russet, another kind, I forgot, Kennybeck. But that's what the garden's looking like. It's not as pretty, I don't think, yet, but I'm trying. This is your Shed Wars update from Patriot Homestead. I'm giving it my best shot out here. And let's see if there's corn in the weeds. Look at all that. A lot of work. There's cucumbers. I've got a lot of stuff scattered around here, but you know, it takes a lot of time. Well, I'll see y'all later. Y'all take care of this Patriot Homestead. Hope you have a wonderful week, the rest of it. A wonderful weekend. Appreciate you. God bless you. Hey, this Patriot Homestead. We're going to try to weigh some milk if we can. We have all these jars, and I'm going to pour it in there, and because I'm going to make cheese with it, and earlier it wasn't picking up all this milk just by placing a half gallon. So I'm going to pour it all in here and just go from there, see if it picks it up on the scale. This Patriot Homestead. Look at the cream on this milk right there. It's Ruby's milk. You can see a little bit of cream there. We've been using it. And I got some buttermilk back there. And a little bit of, this is milk, and that's buttermilk. I got to shake it up. There it is. We're going to weigh it. It's for Shedwars21. So I have all this milk in here, and some of it I had to freeze. So that's why you see it shaking around. And we got it on 0. All right, let's set it on here real quick. Okay, says 24.6. Ain't that amazing? That's how much milk we got. And I didn't want to put my buttermilk in here to weigh it, but we'll just say 25. 25 pounds of milk for this week. Since the last video, I reckon. Oh, I didn't give my goat milk away. I mean, I sold it and I didn't get to weigh it. But 24 pounds. Hey, this is Patriot Homestead. I wanted to share my weight of milk with you for Shed Wars to continue the weight of the other milk. And I milked this half gallon yesterday, and you can see that much cream's on it. And I milked this just now, and I want to weigh it and add it to the other milk. And you can see it's at 0, and we need to add these. You can see, and it's at 12 pounds. So that's 12 pounds added to the 24.6.